Assalamu alaikum. Today's lecture is about the leader as an individual. We tried to explain during last couple of sessions the theoretically background and approaches to understand this process of leadership. In this lecture, we will shift our focus to leader as an individual and try to understand the personality and person part of that individual known as a leader. To understand this, let's try to start from basic personality part. Personality is a pattern of relatively enduring ways in which a person feels, thinks, and behaves. Personality is determined by nature, biological heritage, and nurture, situational factors, organizational outcomes that have been shown to be predicted by personality include job satisfaction, work stress, and leadership effectiveness. Personality is not a useful predictor of organization. When there are strong situation constraints, because personality tends to be stable over time, managers should not expect to change personality in the short run. Leaders should accept employees' personalities as they are and develop effective ways to deal with people. To understand leader, we need to understand him as individual. For this, understand personality indicator is very important. The nature of personality. People's personalities can be described in a variety of ways. Number 1, personality is the pattern of relatively enduring ways in which a person feels, thinks, and behaves. Second one is, it is an important factor in accounting for why employees act the way they do in organizations and why they have favorable or unfavorable attitudes toward their jobs and organizations. Some major forces influencing personality. Influencing personality क्या है? Personality determinants. An early argument centered on whether or not personality was result, heredity, or of environment. Personality appears to be result of both influences. Today we recognize third factor, the situation influences the effects of heredity and environment. Personality impact of various types of situation impose on behavior. Different demands or different situations call forth different aspects of one's personality. Today our topic is about personality, which are leader as an individual. I think you understand this lecture, which is on personality determinants, situation, nature of personality. It is about leader as an individual. Thank you.